At heto na ang inspiring road to success stories ng mga bossing. Nagsimula lang po siya sa single motorcycle and bike retail store sa Quezon City noong 2010, ang Cyclist Concept Incorporated. Pero nitong 2024 lang ay nag-venture na rin sa real estate business, mobile app for food and parcel delivery at convenience stores na magiging 22 branches na.
At dahil sa tagumpay ng Cyclist Concept, ginawaran sila bilang most promising member ng Association of Filipino Franchisers noong 2017. Nitong 2020, rank number 11 na po ang kumpanya bilang most sought-after franchise mula naman sa Franchise PH. Kasama ho natin si Mr. Jeff Chua. Siya po ang founder at president and CEO ng Cyclist Concept Incorporated. Welcome.
Jeff.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat and thank you for having me.
Of course, thank you also for guesting in our show. Welcome to our show, Julius and Tintin. Asan yung delivery, dito, aspect? You mentioned delivery, di ba?
Yung delivery, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman.
Paano
Lahat
yun?
ng mga convenience store, they can book online, they can order. Tsaka,
Kasi may app kayo.
Yes, meron kami app. Pati may mga restaurants kami,
Yeah.
naka-partner. There are over 300 small restaurants. We did not feature mga fast food. Lutong bahay po. Kaya yun yung differentiation naman ng mobile app.
Sa app, makikita mo mga lutong bahay.
Lutong bahay, tsaka talagang Filipino restaurant.
Mga small businesses.
Small
to.
businesses, we want to support them as well.
Oo. Galing ah. So ang app na i-download nila ay, which one? Pitstop?
Cycle House Services.
Cycle House Services ang, kung gusto niyo magpa-deliver ng pagkain
Yes.
na lutong bahay, ang da-download yung app ay Cycle House Services.
Yeah, kasi yung
Ayan.
pangalan ng bike shop, ma'am, is Cycle House. Yung bike shop naman, Cycle House.
Correct.
Motorcycle and bike, yeah.
So nag-employ kayo ng mga riders. Sabi
Yes.
din yung in-house riders, di ba?
Hindi, mga partners po talaga sila.
Partners din. Ayan pala yung app.
Oo.